To add a Jamboard to a meeting, click on the ellipses in the bottom right corner. Then choose Whiteboard. We'll choose to start a new whiteboard. You'll be prompted to share the whiteboard with everyone in the meeting. Click on Send. Then click on OK to confirm you wish to share it with any external attendees. A new Jam file will be opened that everyone in the meeting will be able to access. You can add sticky notes and other items to the Jam to collaborate. When you finish collaborating, you can close the Jam. The Jam will be saved in your Google Drive, and a link will also be added to the Meet chat pane so that everyone in the meeting can access it. Thank you for watching. Contact us at Anchorus if you want to know more about Google Workspace.